welcome back to JC Vlogs.
So guys,
And we just wanted to make a new, this is a freaking rim.
yeah.
We want to make a video about our river because it flooded. Because yesterday it rained so hard.
It also hailed.
It also hailed. And our day was never like this.
I sink in my shoes.
He sink in his shoes.
Yeah, in my shoes.
And look how deep it is. It was
Also,
never
guys,
that deep.
You're probably seeing me from the 10 factory.
Yeah.
So yeah. You remember me? My name is Jordan.
Yeah, his name was Jordan. Oh my god. It would never do that mess there.
Let's go. Go.
Jordan!
Go.
No! Woo! Oh no, no, no! Holy crap! Look! Look at- Stop.
We have to probably go.
It is. We have to show Caesar about this though, but he's not freaking here.
Like,
To Sugar Boss. What?
probably have to wait 3 days before the flood ends.
More than that. Good. Well, even buy all this place.
Wow, oh my gosh, look. This whole thing is polluted.
Yo. I'm actually gonna go through the bamboos as my first video. That was the one where I went from the garage. Oh shoot! It is hard. Ugh. No. Okay, good. Right here is slippery, Jordy.
This,
Yes.
wow. Yes, this must be.
Yo, so I got sand all over my shoes. Yeah, he's sick. I can't believe this happened. Yo, imagine how deep it is from over there. It's not that deep. Oh, yo,
Wow, we can't jump it no more.
look at that bridge over there.
Yeah.
Dude, look.
Oh my god.
Our bridge is ruined.
Both of our bridges.
God, this did not happen. Our bridge was flooded. That can do anything. It rained hard yesterday. Yo!
Right here to right.
I almost slipped. Look. Here you go, chat, bro. So we're gonna have to, maybe after this video, we might have to clean our shoes. Yeah. I'm sure about this part.
Yeah.
So we're going down. So this is where we start.
Here, look.
Hey.
Let's bring a brick to test it.
Yo, stop. Okay, I'm pretty freaking scared about this. Ew, ew.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
It got slugs on it.
Yeah, it's really deep.
Yeah, 'cause it's hard. We should do it. Let me go first.
Well, we weigh more than the brick.
True.
Jeffrey, you might as well not want to go because you're going to sink.
Shoot.
I mean,
Holy
there's no possible way you're going to get back
freaking
up.
crap.
Jeffrey, there's no possible way you're going to get back up.
So I'm thinking being stupid, going down here, and maybe my phone might fucking drop. No, it is slippery, dude.
Watch out, Jeffrey. Are you sure about this? No way you can get back up. Unless if you're going to take the long way in the bamboos. Yeah, Jeffrey, there's no way up. You can't take that way. Come on, Jeffrey, don't do it.
Shit. Oh, yo.
Sure about this?
It's not that deep.
Is that deep?
For you, it might be.
How
Okay.
are you going to get back though?
Here we go. 3, 2. deep there. Look how, yeah, look at the hole I made. Look at that hole. For you, it might not look deep, but it is deep. So, yo, am I going to start exploring the river or something else? Jordy, you okay? Jordy, you just stepped on a brick. Yo, look how deep it is. No. You right, Jordy?
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm right.
So I feel bad for Jordy. But you look at the hole I made. Look at the hole I made.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
But I just ran it. I know a way.
How?
They're here. Try to figure it out because our freaking bridge broke.
Yeah, I'm dead. I didn't know it was that deep.
For me, it's because I didn't jump like you did. I stepped on the bricks. Oh, there's spikes here though.
Yeah, I see, I told you, Jeffrey.
Jordy, move.
Wait, why are you going to come back?
Move.
Can you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm like going to get so dead.
Ah! It is deep here. Hey.
This is probably not tame though.
Yo, our bridge is dead. Look, that's what we made. But now it got freaking deeper.
Alright. Look on the way out. Where you going?
We're here?
After there? You sure?
I'm figuring out a way.
I'm going to go through here.
So it's been 7 minutes, and it didn't feel like 7 minutes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, let's go. Let's get it.
Alright, I'm going to figure a way out of here. Yeah, Jeffrey, we're probably going to have to take the long way.
Exactly. Oh, there's a fence there.
Yeah.
I am not taking that long way. No, no, no. No, I am not taking that long way.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm taking... I know.
You can take the long way.
I'm just going to have to go through the light.
I'm going for here. Wait, I have to drop my phone somewhere. Oh, it is slippery. Yep. Sorry guys, I have to do that to you guys, but still. Ow! I got spikes all over me. So Jordy's taking the freaking long way. Instead of taking like my way like I did. So here comes Jordy going the stupid way. He's literally climbing.
What?
Why are you climbing a bamboo?
I'm not. I have to get off the fence.
Oh shit, you okay, Jordy?
Yeah.
Now, let's go.
Let's go.
So,
You're gonna have to get cleaned up.
yep,
For me.
spider webs there.
Alright, we made it out, guys.
I made out. What is that? Caesar!
Caesar!
Yo!
Yo!
Hey, yeah, bro! Caesar! Caesar!
Caesar!
Caesar!
You got some bad news?
Caesar! Caesar! Well, that's Eric!
Eric.
Oh, that's a fat ass right there. That got fat was all over my face.
Why is that so wet? There's no way I'm going back inside looking like this.
It's been 10 minutes just freaking going on a freaking river.
Air care, guys.
He might leave though, cause look, he's fat.
Yeah. We're probably gonna end the video in a few minutes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe we might just walk. Yo, Eric, the river flooded.
The river flooded.
The river flooded. There's like no sand. Look at his shoes.
Look at me.
And I slid. I had to put my camera on the floor just because of that.
Yeah. Sure.
Dude, it's so flooded.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, it's so flooded. It covered up half a fence.
Half. When we get across the river?
Dude, we cannot cross the river.
Yeah.
It over freaking flooded. We can't, but we have to take a freaking long way. Well, I'm not. I'm taking the way where I did.
Or might as well sink.
Look, Eric, look at it. Look at the bridge over there. Look at the fence.
That probably like is gonna sink more. One day I was thinking that like I should run in here and like jump it there, but like now that it flooded, I don't want to do it anymore.
Dude, I feel like swimming in there.
Yeah, pretty gross.
Look, there's no sand over there.
So we can't cross
We,
over there.
we can go through here. That's where we went, but Jordy fell.
I fell. Yeah.
I told him to step on the brick, but he didn't.
I jumped instead.
He jumped.
Being
You
an idiot.
stupid, you idiot.
Yeah, I jumped. Oh my god,
Wait.
it's so flooded. The dog. I feel bad for the dog. The owners always leave him outside.
Yeah, the owner always leave him outside.
Look, the bottle. That's thing too.
Dang.
Alright, Eric, we're gonna test your basketball.
Ah! It hit my butt. It's been 12 minutes? Let's see this. I don't know. We have this. Caesar's barely in my videos. He would be in two of them because he never comes out.
Who, Brandon?
Caesar. Oh, today we want to do the smoothie challenge, but Caesar's not here.
Yeah.
We can't use the freaking blender.
Well, we might as well make it later.
You guys
or
know how to use a blender?
That's easy to use a blender.
You can use mine.
But we're going to do it outside.
Yeah, never mind. Okay, shit. Yeah, guys.
So we might end the video
look at
right
that too.
here.
That's pretty much
Smooth.
Yeah.
So we might end the vlog here because there's nothing else to record. I might do a video later. So
Peace out, guys.
peace out, guys.